Most students spend their time figuring out how to study rather than actually studying. What if preparing for any exam didn't have to be that chaotic?
The silhouettes burning, embers rising high, like a chemical fire. The flame won't die. Intertwine, darling, you and I.
Hey, I'm Bhavish and I'm a first year computer engineering student. And I'll be honest, my academic life wasn't that good for past 6 years. But things changed when I started preparing smarter, not harder. Today I'm going to give you 3 exact steps that I personally use preparing for exams. Engineering exams are tough, not because of the syllabus, but the pressure. Here's what most of us struggle with: not knowing where to start, huge syllabus, and no time. Complex subjects like M2 or BEEE. And let's be real, procrastination. I have been there. I failed to keep up in the class. I didn't make good notes. And before exams, a lot of stress and anxiety. That's why I made my own system. Not perfect, but super effective. Here's a solid 3-step plan for the engineering students to start preparing for your exams. Now here comes the step number 1: prioritize and plan. Now, as you all know that when we gather some information, when we gather notes for syllabus or study of or preparation of the exam, then what we generally do is we'll ask some friends that what are the important questions, or maybe we ask them, do you have notes? But when it comes to preparing for exam in a smarter way, you can do it yourself. You can find important question yourself. What you just have to do is choose high weightage topic, high weightage chapters or high weightage units from your syllabus and choose them and prioritize them first, because it's kind of 80-20 rule, where 80% of results comes from 20% of topics or syllabus in your maybe curriculum or your exams, right? Then when you have these all topics, so your first step, that is prioritize, has been completed. But after that you have to plan these topics by time blocking. Here's the step number 2: understand, don't memorize. If you are preparing for your exams, what most students do is they just memorize some questions which are important questions. So I did that mistake a lot of times and I have suffered from it, because when you memorize some topics, then when going to the exams with the stress and anxiety, you may forget some answers or some questions, and it's not a good idea to memorize everything. So try to understand the concepts of the topics which you are learning, and it will be great if you have attended all the lectures. Then understanding the concepts will not be that hard. If you haven't attended the lectures, then maybe you can use YouTube, and there are a lot of resources on YouTube that you can use. Here's the last step, step number 3: revise smartly. What I generally do is when attending the lectures, or when the regular academic days, I focus on the lectures and notes. Then what I do is I try to make short notes or mind maps or maybe flow charts of all the topics, and I just put everything in the chapter on only one page. So it's kind of great idea to go with that type of maybe preparation. If you have mind maps. If you have short notes for your topics, then it will be great to remember everything, and it's kind of a topper's method, so you can try it out. So just to recap: step 1, prioritize and plan. Step 2, understand, don't memorize. Step 3, revise smartly. Trust me, it works. If you have got the study tip that works for you, drop it in the comments and let's help each other out. I'll see you in the next one.
Barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace.